We're getting ready to leave Santee State Park on Marion Lake, and today we're headed to Mossy Oaks RV Park. It's an hour and a half or so away from Savannah on I95. We're just continuing on I95. So we're gassed up. I took the lights off of the car because I think it's rubbing the paint off the wires. So we just crossed into Georgia on I-95. This I-95, as soon as we got into Georgia, is in so much better condition than it was in South Carolina. We're heading towards Jesup on 25, Route 25 or Highway 25, I'm not sure. Gosh, if the interior roads are more like this, I might try to get to my next destination without getting back on I-95. Looks like it's 66 degrees outside. There's like a smell. I don't know what that smell is. It smells like sulfur. Not like propane, but kind of like a paper mill. Trump, huh? Just arrived in Mossy Oaks in Georgia. Mossy Oaks RV. And I think it's also a town. Alexa, what is the weather in Savannah, Georgia?
Currently, in Savannah, Georgia, it's 66 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect lots of clouds, with a high of 67 degrees and a low of 64 degrees.
I'll just cross this. I think this might be the Savannah River. I don't know. It's pretty humid, so we're getting ready to go. Trying to keep the sand out. I don't know quite how to get out of here because it's kind of tight. Okay. Well, that still didn't turn out very well. It says 55. Is it not 55? So the railroad crossings, apparently you can't do the speed limit. You have to slow way down because they are elevated. And if you're going the speed limit, you're probably going to damage your vehicle. Let's get gas while we're at it, I think. Fuck, look at that. Getting close to Stephen Foster State Park, where there's a big swamp. Argo, it's another one of these. River. Looks like they're doing lots of logging out here. And tree planting. This road isn't wide enough. Barely.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they drag the chains, you can say no, free me.